Greetings, dear friends. In our first 4 sessions, we explored the why, where, and when of Jyotish. Today, we finally arrive at the what, the foundational building blocks that make Jyotish a precise, living science. This session is not about abstract philosophy. It is about concrete tools, the zodiac, the planets, the lunar mansions, and the birth chart. These are not symbols on a page. They are living forces that shape your mind, body, destiny, and soul. In this session, we will cover the zodiac, not as a Western horoscope, but as a sacred belt of cosmic energy, the etymology of zodiac, and its surprising Iranian roots, the 12 Rashis signs and their planetary rulers, the 4 elements and the 4 goals of life, Purusharthas, the 9 Grahas, including the shadow planets Rāhu and Ketu, the 27 Nakshatras, the heart of Vedic astrology, the critical difference between sidereal and tropical systems, and finally, the birth chart, your cosmic fingerprint. As you see on the screen, today's session is titled Foundational Concepts in Jyotish Shastra. These concepts are not optional extras. They are the alphabet of cosmic energy, the very language through which the universe speaks to your soul. Without them, Jyotish is just a collection of myths. With them, it becomes a precise map of your karmic journey. What is the zodiac, says Ecliptic? The zodiac is not a mystical ring of animals. It is a scientific reality. Technically, the zodiac is an 812-degree wide belt centered on the ecliptic, the sun's apparent annual path across the celestial sphere. In truth, this path reflects Earth's orbital plane projected onto the sky. All planets, except distant Pluto, move within this belt. Crucially, solar and lunar eclipses occur only when Sun, Moon, and Earth align on this path. Thus, the zodiac is not symbolic. It is the actual highway of cosmic influence. Etymology of zodiac. The word zodiac comes from the Latin zodiacus, which derives from the Greek zodiakos kuklos, circle of little animals. But there is a deeper, older root. In ancient Iranian, the word Z meant life or life-giving force. This evolved into Z, seen in Persian words like zist with meaning of life and zistin with meaning of to live. Thus, the zodiac is not merely a circle of beasts. It is a symbol of celestial, benevolent, life-giving energies. As I wrote in my book, it is highly probable that this term traveled from Iranian to Greek astronomy. This is not coincidence. It is shared Indo-Iranian heritage. Zodiac division in Jyotish. In Jyotish, the 360 Greek zodiac is divided into 12 equal signs, each called a Rashi, each exactly 30 degrees wide. There are 9 Grahas planets in Jyotish, 7 physical planets, Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, 2 shadow planets, Rāhu and Ketu. The lunar nodes, calculated mathematically. Each Rashi is ruled by 1 or 2 Grahas. Notably, Sun and Moon each rule 1 sign. All other planets rule 2 signs. This reflects a deep balance. Luminaries govern one domain of soul and mind, while the other forces govern dual aspects of life. The 12 Rashis and their rulers. Let us name them clearly. 1. Mesha, or Aries ruled by Mars. 2. Vrishaba, or Taurus ruled by Venus. 3. Mithuna, or Gemini, ruled by Mercury, 4. Karka, or Cancer, ruled by Moon, 5. Simha, or Leo, ruled by Sun, 6. Kanya, or Virgo, ruled by Mercury, 7. Tula, or Libra, ruled by Venus, 8. Vereshchika, or Scorpio, ruled by Mars, 9. Danu, or Sagittarius, ruled by Jupiter, 10. Makara, or Capricorn, ruled by Saturn, 11. Kuma, or Aquarius, ruled by Saturn, 12. Meena, or Pisces, ruled by Jupiter. Notice Mars, Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, and Saturn each rule 2 signs. One active, one passive, one fiery, one watery, showing their dual nature. 4 elements and 4 Purusharthas, or life goals. The 12 Rashis are grouped into 4 elemental triangles, each linked to one of the 4 goals of human life, Purusharthas. 1. Fire, or Agni. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Dharma, related to truth, duty, righteousness. 2. Earth, or Prithvi, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Artha, related to wealth, resources, security. 3. Air, or Vayu, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Kama, related to desire, pleasure, relationships. 4. Water, or Jala, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Moksha, related to liberation, spirituality, detachment. Jyotish does not prioritize one over the others. It seeks harmony among all 4. A life without dharma is chaotic, without artha, unstable, without kama, joyless, without moksha, meaningless. Your birth chart reveals which of these you must cultivate and which you must transcend. The Grahas, planets, and their symbolism. The 9 Grahas are not distant rocks. They are cosmic intelligences that shape human experience. 1. Surya, or sun, related to soul, father, willpower, authority. 2. Candra, or moon, related to mind, mother, emotions, home. 3. Mangala, or Mars, related to energy, courage, siblings, conflict. A4. Buddha, or Mercury, related to intellect, speech, commerce, adaptability. 5. Guru, or Jupiter, related to wisdom, children, spirituality, expansion. 6. Shukra, or Venus, related to spouse, beauty, pleasure, art. 7. Shani, or Saturn, related to karma, discipline, elders, limitation. 8. Rahu, related to foreigners, hidden desires, obsession, innovation. 9. Ketu, related to detachment, past life, wisdom, mysticism, loss. Each graha expresses differently based on its Rashi, house, and dignity. A well-placed Mars gives courage, a weak one gives rage. A strong Saturn gives wisdom, a weak one gives fear. Nakshatras, or lunar mansions. Here is what makes Jyotish unique. The 27 Nakshatras, lunar constellations that divide the zodiac into 13 degrees, 20 segments. Each nakshatra is further divided into 4 padas, quarters of 30 degrees, 20 each. The moon spends approximately 1 day in each nakshatra, making it the fastest moving indicator of emotional and karmic states. Your Jama Nakshatra, the nakshatra occupied by the moon at your birth, is your spiritual signature. It reveals your deepest instincts, fears, and gifts. As I emphasize in my book, this system exists only in Jyotish. Western astrology ignores it. Persian astrology once knew it but lost it. Jyotish preserves it in full. Fundamental difference. Sidereal vs. tropical. Let us clarify the core technical distinction. Basis in sidereal is fixed stars, actual sky, but in tropical is vernal equinox seasons. Ayanamsha in sidereal is applied Sada counts for precession, but in tropical is ignored. Nakshatras in sidereal is central to interpretation, but in tropical is largely ignored. Accuracy in sidereal reflects real celestial positions, but in tropical is aligned with Earth's seasons. Due to the precession of the equinoxes, the two systems have drifted 24 regs apart. Jyotish mirrors the actual sky, not symbolic seasons. When we say someone is born under Misha, we mean the sun was actually in Aries, not in a point defined by spring. Birth chart, Rashi Chakra structure. The birth chart, called the Rashi Chakra, is a snapshot of the sky at your exact moment of birth. It contains three key elements. 1. Lagna, or ascendant. The Rashi rising in the east at birth. This is your outer personality, your vehicle in this life. 2. Moon reveals your mind, emotions, and Jama Nakshatra. 3. Sun reveals your soul, father, and karmic purpose. The chart has 12 bhavasa houses, domains of life like wealth, health, marriage, and spirituality. The 9 Grahas move through these houses, activating their energies. As I wrote, this chart is your cosmic fingerprint. No two are alike. It encodes your karma, destiny, and inner potential. In closing, let us summarize. 1. Jyotish rests on 12 Rashis, 27 Nakshatras, and 9 Grahas, a complete, self-consistent system. 2. Each planet's influence is unique, based on sign, house, and dignity. 3. The sidereal approach, faithful to the real sky, distinguishes Jyotish from all other systems. 4. The birth chart is not a fortune-telling device. It is a map of destiny, karma, and inner potential. And finally, as I wrote in my book, Jyotish teaches us the alphabet of cosmic energy. Once you learn this alphabet, you can read the story of your soul. Thank you. In closing, let us summarize. 1. Jyotish rests on 12 Rashis, 27 Nakshatras, and 9 Grahas, a complete, self-consistent system. 2. Each planet's influence is unique, based on sign, house, and dignity. 3. The sidereal approach, faithful to the real sky, distinguishes Jyotish from all other systems. 4. The birth chart is not a fortune-telling device. It is a map of destiny, karma, and inner potential. And finally, as I wrote in my book, Jyotish teaches us the alphabet of cosmic energy. Once you learn this alphabet, you can read the story of your soul. Thank you.